For this tutorial, I'm going to make an object with hidden features. We're going to start with a circle. And then another one. And then make it face us. Go down a bit. What is this? And still we're having the circle. Let's say I'm going to use the sweep tool and put sweep an arc in there. And then select tool, select it. M for move tool. Then if we drag the hub of the anchor and just pop it on the circle, it finds the center of the circle for us. Release. And we've got the center of this circle and the curve selected. So I'm going to create patterns down here, bottom left, create patterns. And if I grab the blue anchor and twiddle it round, start to get patterns. That'll do for the purpose. Then T for the trim tool, and I'm going to trim away these bits of the arc. So I've got a number of these indents on the inside. And we can now select the pull tool, turn it a bit, select the inner plane, pull it up a bit, then the outer one, pull it up even further, and then select the circle tool again, click on the top face here so we know where we are, escape, V, and then draw another circle right to the outside. Okay, P for pull, select the inner, then the outer, and pull it up a bit. Release. Now what we've got is something that looks like a circle but is hollow inside with those indents in it. To prove this, if we select S for select that surface, Control select the other surface underneath, press the X key for a section, we can see that we've got our indents on the inner surface. Now suppose we wanted to drag one of these indents to a different radius. We find that using the section we can see them but we can't highlight them. So how do we do that? How can we get at them? Well, if we go back to the design mode with the D key, we have the facility of right clicking on this face, go to face and then hide face. Now that's hidden the top face, but we still can't get at these indents because there's another face on the inside. So again, right click on it, face, hide face. And now we can see inside our part, and lo and behold, we can select the faces. So if we strike P on the keyboard, pull tool is selected, we can select one of these faces. We've got a pull arrow. At the moment it's 6.13 millimeters radius. So if we left click and drag, we can make it smaller or larger. Or just in fact type a number in, 10. Once we're happy with what we've done, right click anywhere in the part, go to faces, show all faces. And we'll go back to the solid. Just to prove things, select tool, select that face, control select the other face, X key, and there we can see our modification inside. So that's a useful tool to know about when trying to get at parts, internal features of a part you've made.